In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can access all your downloads on this Xiaomi. First of all, you need to locate File Manager app. Then click on Try or Cancel in the pop-up and tap on Bluetooth and Downloads category under Videos. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you want to access one, just click on it. And now it's open. But you can also click on Files app instead. Click on Continue, tap on Allow, and select this sweater next to Allow access to manage all files. Then click on Allow in the pop-up, select Browse at the bottom in the middle, and tap on Downloads category. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!